I'm going to show you how to connect to desktop mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 directly to a TCL Smart TV via cable. So really quickly, we're already connected here, and if you look at my phone here, you have that little touchpad, that little rectangle, bottom left-hand side. If you tap on that, here's your touchpad, and you can see the mouse moving on there. And I'll just open up settings here, and if you want to scroll down or up, you use two fingers. Like we can move over here, and I'll go ahead and close this. And if we wanted to disconnect, you simply just, if you wanted to go ahead and get rid of this touchpad, you can double tap the X and go back to your regular screen here. If you want to disconnect, just go ahead and pull the plug. So the cable that you need for this is a HDMI to a USB-C. Okay, you connect this, of course, to the back of your TCL TV, and the USB side you plug definitely into your Samsung Galaxy phone. So we'll plug that in here. The thing is, you have to make sure that you're on the correct HDMI port. Okay, so I'm already on the correct HDMI port, so it shows up right away. However, if nothing shows up, then you need to change your input or source. So go to the home page, click on the home button on a remote, and then you just want to go to source or inputs. Okay, there's inputs there. Select that, and you just have to go to correct HDMI. I know that mine's HDMI too because it's highlighted there. Okay, and then once you go to correct HDMI, it'll show up on your screen. And again, if you want to disconnect, you just pull the plug. Pretty simple. Questions or issues, just comment below.